Hi, I'm Victor with Shaw's Air Conditioning and Heating, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about the Amazon Alexa enabled Ecobee 4 thermostat with optional sensors. And it's a great Wi-Fi enabled thermostat. You can talk to it, you can control it from your phone, very user friendly. Also has the optional sensors to place throughout your house if you have hot and cold spots to kind of help the temperatures throughout your house. One of my favorite benefits and features of this thing is it has the ability to have a PIN code so nobody can touch it unless you have the PIN number, which is great for little kids. Also, you can talk to it. It is active with Alexa, and I will demonstrate that now. Alexa, give me a fun fact.
Ecobee, a construction firm in Japan, was the world's oldest company. It lasted more than 1,400 years before it was absorbed into Takamatsu in 2006.
Well, that was not a fun fact, but if you have any questions, give us a call at Shaw's Air Conditioning and Heating. And remember, stay comfortable, Central Valley.